on camera when I do see pussy. I mean, got my wife, but
I got my wife right.
about that. I'm chilling. You feel me?
Yeah, bad ones.
Bad ones. All day.
It's your boy Diddy.
You said all day?
All day, every day. You feel me? If you see my wife.
You said 24/7 in a leap year.
24/7. If you see how my wife look, you would wish you were me.
Huh?
You know.
Killer.
Female like me. I'm
Ah.
No female ain't real about some bad bitches on their side. I'm letting you know.
Told you.
Letting you know.
Told you. Told you.
We know you like this song so much, we had to break the ends off. Compliments of the
It's your
world.
boy Diddy, man. I'm quoted in the motherfucker right now.
How you cold? You got the pleasure on.
Cause your boy cold-blooded, you feel me? Cold-blooded and the cold don't mix, bro.
You ain't
I
a
get hella
gangster.
cold.
You ain't a gangster.
I ain't a gangster. I hit licks though.
What's
I'm a
that mean?
thug, nigga. Fuck being a gangster. I don't gangbang. I'm too old for that shit, nigga. I'm a thug, nigga. What the
Fuck that, nigga. I still ain't too old, nigga. I'm still banging the hood, nigga. Black Stones, nigga. What's happening, nigga? JS, nigga. I don't give a fuck. Let a nigga say something. Let a nigga start dissing. It's nothing. Hold on. Hold the fucking camera. Hold the fucking camera. Let a nigga say something, my nigga. Ain't nothing, my nigga. I'm with the business, my nigga. Off top, my nigga. Toe straps. Niggas call me pistol for a fucking reason, you dumbass niggas. It's nothing, my nigga. Toe straps. It's nothing, my nigga. I still fuck with the homies, my nigga. Crip blood, it don't matter, my nigga.
Hold on, bro.
Fucking hold on, nigga.
Now that I think about it, you trying to play your boy, talking about how you cold in that pleather. Now that I think about it, trying to play your boy, trying to play your boy.
It's on video already. We gonna put this shit on YouTube. It's nothing.
Yeah, whatever with that champion sweater.
It don't matter champion sweater or not. I'm the realest nigga. I'm gonna go to fucking jail in a minute. What the fuck? What am I supposed to go in there in some Evisus and a fake cap?